Oh, it's fun.
Nice tranny with the dog.
I went in on the pond.
Get Dozer on there.
Hey, Blue! Come on!
That was Dozer right in there. Yeah, Dozer, watch out for the fence. Try to ride the wave right there. Just right there. Just get in front of it. Just get right in front of it. Stand right there. There's the wave. Yeah. Yeah. That was actually cool. There's a little corner right there.